Welcome to Gadgets Hub. Today we explain the Razer Huntsman V3 Pro Mini, a refined embodiment of modern competitive keyboard engineering that represents a deliberate fusion of compact architecture, analog optical switch innovation, and premium-grade construction tailored specifically for high-performance gaming environments, providing both gamers and professionals with a device that balances aesthetic sophistication, technical precision, and practical usability. Designed within a 60% layout, this keyboard strategically eliminates the function row, navigation cluster, and numeric keypad, thereby creating a streamlined and space-efficient footprint that maximizes desktop real estate, enhances mouse mobility, and allows for an uncluttered workspace, an essential advantage for competitive players who depend on low-sensitivity configurations and expansive, uninterrupted hand movement, while also benefiting office professionals, content creators, and designers who require more desk space for multi-device setups or simultaneous work on multiple monitors. The structural integrity of the device is immediately apparent through its robust aluminum top plate, which delivers exceptional rigidity with virtually no perceptible flex under applied pressure, reinforcing long-term durability while preserving a clean, sophisticated aesthetic appropriate for esports arenas, high-end gaming setups, and professional workstations, with a subtle matte finish that resists fingerprints and reflects light evenly for a premium appearance, ensuring that even extended sessions maintain a professional look. Complementing the frame are double-shot PBT keycaps engineered for superior resistance to wear and surface shine, ensuring that key legends remain sharp and legible even after extended use, while the subtly textured finish promotes confident finger placement and controlled keystrokes during prolonged sessions, improving accuracy, typing speed, and reducing fatigue over long gaming marathons, content creation workflows, or coding sprints, a feature often overlooked in compact keyboards that prioritize portability over ergonomics. At the technological core of the Huntsman V3 Pro Mini lies its defining advancement, analog optical switch technology, which fundamentally transforms keyboard input by detecting and interpreting varying degrees of actuation depth with remarkable precision, granting users the ability to configure exactly how far a key must travel before activation occurs, creating a highly adaptable experience that accommodates both fast-paced, competitive gameplay and measured, deliberate typing, allowing players to execute precise movements in strategy or simulation games while professionals can benefit from consistent tactile feedback for document editing, programming, and spreadsheet work. This adjustable actuation capability allows shallow trigger points for rapid responsiveness in competitive scenarios, such as first-person shooter or real-time strategy titles, while providing deeper actuation options for stability during prolonged writing, coding, or design sessions, ensuring the keyboard excels in multiple usage contexts. Further elevating its competitive advantage is the integration of rapid trigger functionality, which dynamically resets the actuation point the moment a key begins its upward movement, effectively eliminating the fixed reset constraints inherent in traditional mechanical designs and enabling exceptionally fast repeated inputs, resulting in tangible advantages in fast reaction games where every millisecond counts, including high-intensity esports tournaments, as well as for applications requiring rapid key sequences such as video editing shortcuts or 3D modeling software commands. Moreover, the analog input capability introduces graduated key press control, allowing compatible games to interpret variable movement speeds similar to controller input, adding a nuanced dimension of command, precision, and fluidity previously unattainable on standard keyboards, and offering players finer control over movement, in-game character navigation, and complex actions such as driving simulations, flight simulators, or stealth strategy games where subtle input variation can impact performance. From a pure performance perspective, the Huntsman V3 Pro Mini delivers impressively low latency owing to its optical actuation system, which removes debounce delay and ensures near-instantaneous signal transmission, fostering a consistent and reliable response profile essential during high-intensity gameplay, while also ensuring productivity applications such as graphic design, audio production, and content creation remain responsive and accurate, illustrating the keyboard's versatility beyond competitive gaming. Despite its primary orientation toward gaming excellence, the keyboard maintains a composed and refined typing experience characterized by smooth keystroke travel, well-engineered stabilizers that effectively minimize rattle on larger keys such as the spacebar and shift, and a balanced tactile response conducive to extended productivity tasks, with sufficient feedback to satisfy users accustomed to premium mechanical keyboards, while requiring only a brief adjustment period for those transitioning from full-size layouts due to reliance on layered key commands for secondary functions and directional inputs. Customization is comprehensively managed through Razer Synapse software, which offers granular control over actuation depth, rapid trigger sensitivity, macro programming, per-key RGB illumination, and analog sensitivity curves, empowering users to fine-tune performance parameters with precision, synchronize lighting effects across multiple devices, and store personalized profiles directly within the onboard memory for seamless portability across different systems, making it ideal for gamers who travel to tournaments or professionals who switch between workstations. The Chroma RGB lighting ecosystem supports highly customizable effects, including reactive, wave, and static modes, and can be synchronized with compatible Razer peripherals to create cohesive, visually appealing setups that enhance immersion and provide instant visual feedback for key presses, while maintaining subtle, professional lighting profiles suitable for office or streaming environments, and allowing users to create unique visual experiences that match specific game genres, work themes, or ambient lighting preferences. Connectivity is facilitated through a detachable USB-C interface that enhances portability, simplifies cable management, and supports both wired and wireless configurations with minimal latency, while the braided cable design contributes additional durability suitable for travel, tournament participation, and demanding daily use, further reinforcing the keyboard's long-term reliability. In terms of longevity, the optical switch mechanism reduces mechanical wear by minimizing physical contact during actuation, potentially extending operational lifespan beyond that of traditional contact-based switches, and when combined with the reinforced aluminum chassis and resilient keycap construction, the overall build philosophy reflects a commitment to sustained, high-performance reliability, making it a durable investment for professionals, competitive gamers, and creators alike. While the Huntsman V3 Pro Mini occupies a premium pricing tier above many conventional mechanical keyboards, its advanced analog customization, rapid trigger responsiveness, structural excellence, and software integration justify the investment for users who intend to fully leverage its capabilities rather than seek entry-level functionality, particularly for those who compete at an esports level, engage in intensive creative workflows, or prioritize a precise and adaptable input device. Comparatively, while other compact keyboards offer portability, they rarely provide the same combination of analog input, rapid actuation, premium build quality, and software versatility, positioning the Huntsman V3 Pro Mini as a standout choice for those who demand uncompromising performance, whether for gaming, professional work, or creative endeavors. Ultimately, the Razer Huntsman V3 Pro Mini distinguishes itself not simply as a compact peripheral, but as a meticulously engineered precision instrument crafted for competitive mastery, seamlessly integrating hardware innovation with intelligent software control in a cohesive, performance-driven platform that meets the rigorous demands of modern esports while maintaining the elegance, reliability, and durability expected of a flagship device, and for discerning professionals and dedicated gamers who prioritize speed, configurability, and spatial efficiency. It remains one of the most compelling high-end keyboard solutions currently available in the global performance peripheral market. And for more in-depth technology reviews, detailed product insights, professional performance evaluations, and practical usage guidance across gaming and productivity, stay informed in Connected Gadgets Hub.